Prince Harry and Meghan Markle flew home from their lavish honeymoon in the Mediterranean in 2018 and were straight back into the spotlight for Trooping the Colour. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex then joined the rest of the royal family to celebrate the Queen's official birthday. The former Suits actress wore a baby pink dress and matching hat for the special occasion and stood proudly beside her new husband Harry, who wore his military uniform. Before the former royal couple tied the knot, the Duchess had already carried out a handful of engagements, but this was her first time on the Buckingham Palace balcony. On the day, everyone could see the clear amazement on her face at the experience, and she was seen chatting to Kate, William, and Camilla, the Mirror reports. However, the Duke claims in his tell-all memoir Spare that things were a little awkward after Kate asked what Meghan thought of her first Trooping the Colour, and she simply replied, "Colourful." Harry wrote, "A yawning silence threatened to swallow us all whole." Join the Daily Record's WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. In his debut book, which hit headlines across the world since its release last year, Harry recalls his version of fallouts and tensions between his wife and family in the lead-up to their wedding, which is likely to have contributed to the awkward feelings at Trooping. He claims that Kate and his elder brother William stereotyped Meghan, with the Prince of Wales branding the Duchess as difficult, which ultimately created a barrier between them. The Duke also discusses the fallout between Kate and Meghan over a bridesmaid fitting before the wedding, and said that the Princess of Wales was funny with his wife when she asked to borrow a lip gloss. In a televised interview with ITV's Tom Bradby, Harry said that his brother and sister-in-law did not get on with Meghan from the get-go. When asked why their relationship got off on a bad start, Harry claimed there were lots of different reasons. Despite their frosty relationship with Meghan, the couple have previously admitted that they are huge fans of Suits, the legal drama in which the Duchess starred in as Rachel Zane before she met Harry.